Hello everyone, welcome to Memory Made. Today's topic of discussion is Erythrocytic Sedimentation Rate or ESR. This topic comes under the subject physiology. You will often come across this topic in physiology and it's a frequent short note or viva question in exams. So let us dive in and make sure you're ready to ace it. Let us first discuss the definition. By definition, ESR is the rate of RBC sedimentation and is determined by noting the length of the supernatant clear plasma after an interval of 1 hour. If blood is mixed with anticoagulant and kept suspended in narrow vertical tubes, the red blood corpuscles slowly gravitate to the bottom, having a clear plasma at the top. Now, how do we calculate ESR? This is the formula for calculating ESR by Westergren's method. So ESR is equal to first hour reading plus second hour reading divided by 2, vol divided by 2. Now what are the methods for measuring ESR? First comes the Westergren's method. A 300 mm long tube which is open at both ends is taken. B. Anticoagulant used is 3.8% sodium citrate mixed with blood in 1:4 proportion. 4 volume of blood and 1 volume of anticoagulant. C. Citrated blood is drawn into the tube by sucking up to the 0 mark and the tube is placed in the Westergren stand. D. The length of the supernatant clear plasma is noted at 1 hour and 2 hours and ESR is determined from the previously mentioned formula. You can add a diagram like this to make your answer more engaging. Don't forget to label your diagram properly. Next comes the Winthrop's method. A. The tube may be used for measuring ESR as well as PCV. B. Anticoagulant used is ammonium potassium double oxalate or EDTA. C. The anticoagulant added blood is introduced into the tube by a Pasteur pipette up to the 100 mm mark near the upper end of tube. D. The tube is kept on the stand in vertical position for 1 hour and then the reading is taken. How will we calculate the result? By using the simple formula. ESR is equal to millimeter of plasma separated at the end of first hour. Normal value for males it is 0 to 9 mm per hour. For females it's 0 to 20 mm per hour. Next you can add another point on the mechanism of erythrocytic sedimentation. When blood is mixed with anticoagulant and is allowed to settle, the RBCs adhere to one another forming a Rowley. As a result, the collective surface area is reduced and they gravitate to the bottom at a much higher speed. You can find the diagram of Rowley on the book for reference. You can conclude the answer with significance of ESR. The following are the significances. 1. The ESR has no diagnostic value since it is elevated in many pathological conditions. 2. It has prognostic value as serial estimations in a particular patient can confirm whether the disease process is increasing or decreasing. 3. It helps in distinguishing functional disorders from organic disorders. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. You can also mention specific topics in the comments if you want videos on those topics. See you in the next video. Have a very good day. Bye.